This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi because Airdrop uses both radios. Once done, open Control Center or Settings and tap Airdrop. Make sure you choose contacts only if you want restricted sharing or everyone for quick transfers. Pick the least open option that works. Keep both devices unlocked and awake and stand within about 30 feet so discovery succeeds. You're beginning the transfer process now. Keeping screens on avoids timeouts and ensures the other device appears immediately. You find the item you want to send and tap the share icon. This opens the sharing sheet where Airdrop lives. Once the sheet appears, look at the Airdrop row and wait for recipient tiles to populate. Sometimes it takes a second while devices discover each other. Tap the recipient's name or device icon to start sending. You'll see a progress indicator and may hear a sound. If you're sending multiple files, cue them now and watch each progress bubble until it completes. You need the recipient to tap Accept when the Airdrop prompt appears. Once accepted, items go to the appropriate app. Photos to Photos, links to Safari, files to Files, so verify immediately. Open the received content to confirm it's complete and not corrupted. If it's a large file, give the device a moment to finish processing. If transfer fails, try toggling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, move closer, or temporarily set Airdrop to everyone to remove discovery issues. That one troubleshooting step solves most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.